Hello!
Hello, hello! Good morning!
Good afternoon and good evening wherever you are in the world. So, sa mga hindi pa po nakakakilala sa amin, I am Shine. I'm a registered nurse.
And I'm June. I'm an IT professional. I'm a project manager.
And we are also an online business owner.
Yeah.
So, welcome po once again for another night of meaningful talk.
And we're coming to you live from North Carolina, USA.
Yes. So, yesterday, we talked about how we are going to celebrate our journey with what do you call this? Celebrate our achievements without comparing it to someone else's journey.
Yeah, tama yan.
So we talked about yesterday the negative effects or harmful benefits that we get when we compare ourselves to others, and also we talk about how you are going to recognize your own path.
Yeah.
Diba? We emphasized yesterday that you have to have a self-focus, so that you'll be able to know your own journey, your own unique challenges in life, and then you have to celebrate your own uniqueness.
Tama.
Diba? So today we will be sharing some tips for us to stay focused on our own journey. Kasi we all have different journeys, diba? We all have different paths in life. We all have different sets of dreams. So how are we going to be focused on achieving those dreams that we have, diba? So, ang unang-una is we have to set our personal goal, syempre.
Goal setting.
Oo, yeah. Goal setting tayo. Kasi, if we don't set our goals, syempre wala kang kapupuntahan. I mean, hindi mo alam kung anong gagawin mo sa buhay mo if you will not set your own goals, diba?
Importante po yun. Kailangan at least para malaman din natin kung ano yung progress natin against those goals, what are the steps that we have to do, and what are the milestones na nararating natin in every step of the way.
Oo. Kasi usually when you are setting a goal, you are, what do you call this? It helps you create the vision that will align to what you really want in life. Diba? Also, second thing, on how to stay focused on your own journey, you need to practice gratitude.
Yun.
Oo, kasi sa sobrang dami na nating challenges, ang daming setbacks in life, we tend to forget to say thanks, to be thankful for what we have for the meantime while we are working on the things that we truly want, to achieve. Like, simple things. That you have a roof on your head, you have a food to eat, you have you have your family beside you. There's so much to be thankful for. Hindi lang yung dahil sa mga nakafocus tayo on achieving our dreams. There are so many things to be thankful for.
Tama. And dyan na rin papasok yung recognizing small achievements, small wins.
Oo. So, since nasabi mo na yung pangatlo.
Okay.
You need to celebrate your small wins kasi nga it emphasizes yung progress Kasi progress is progress, whether it's small or
Big.
big progress, it's still a progress.
Oo.
So by recognizing it, you can easily go to the next step, or you can go forward to what's next. It will make you feel motivated and make you feel proud of yourself for the efforts you have made. Diba? Also, we need to also consider the benefits of self-reflection and self-acceptance. Self-acceptance as a foundation, it means that you are accepting yourself. Like, nobody is perfect. You commit mistakes, diba? You have your strengths, you have your weaknesses. Like, usually if you accept yourself, it creates a peaceful, mindset.
Embrace your imperfections.
Oo. Nagkakaroon ka kasi ng peaceful mindset if you accept your flaws, you accept your weaknesses, and usually those flaws and weaknesses that will eventually lead to your greatness if you know how to handle it. Diba? Kasi may mga ibang tao kaya nade-depress, and then in the end they will tend to become a failure kasi nga they didn't handle themselves well. They know already their weaknesses, but they didn't do anything to overcome it. And then, syempre, fulfillment through growth. Diba? Kasi usually, true fulfillment comes from focusing on becoming a better version of ourselves. Diba? Rather than measuring up to the others. Kaya nga, diba, may mga nagsasabi na, like, this is my version 2.0. Meaning, ano ka na, you've changed, you've learned from your mistakes,
experiences, you're more mature, you have grown enough, you have learned something. So,
and then usually when you become a better version of yourself, the tendency is that you stop comparing yourselves to others anymore kasi you've learned from it. You
learn to know yourself better.
So there's no like it's a sort of like stopping na the comparison from other people, whether when you become a better version of yourself, ang nangyayari kasi dyan is before yung parang you feel envious, you feel jealous and all, but since you've changed, like the tendency now is you acknowledge other people's successes already, you appreciate, yung ano nga yung sinabi mo kahapon, yung parang you hindi appreciate like yung ano ba? Nakalimutan ko yung sinabi mo kahapon.
Sinabi ko kahapon,
yung parang nagiging happy ka.
You feel more, be happy for them.
You become happier for them. You become like their success is also your success. Ganun ang nangyayari
pagka meaning ng being
fulfilled through growth.
Through growth, experience, becoming a leader. Basically, if you see, somebody succeeds.
Hello, Yang.
Definitely, you're happy for them. You also feel like you want to bring out the best in those people. The same success that you have, you want to share it with them, and you want to, give them the that privilege then to learn something and overcome something. So yun.
So katulad nga nung kaya rin naging topic namin din yung about comparison, comparing yourself to others kasi if you're familiar with the crab mentality, di ba?
Oh, uso yan
It's,
sa Pilipino.
oo, hindi lang sa Pilipino. I mean, siguro all over the world merong crab mentality. Like, they don't want to see other people succeed, di ba? Like, they will pull them down para parang kumbaga sabay-sabay tayong maging failure, sabay-sabay tayo. Yung puro nega ba? But,
Ano siguro human nature, I would say na gusto mo ikaw lang yung the best. Gusto mo ikaw lang yung titingalain. Yun yung parang self-centered ang dating. Pero siguro when you are mature enough to understand and when you know how to become a leader, mag-iiba yung perception mo sa buhay. Oo.
And then last thing is last tip for staying focused on your own journey is to keep going. So padayon lang, 'di ba? Like kasi if you move forward, if you keep on doing what you are supposed to do, like it will bring about motivation and resilience on you, 'di ba? Na kasi ang tawag dito, every journey naman ng isang tao different, at saka every journey matters, no matter how difficult or how easy your journey is, it matters to every person, 'di ba? And that for that on that journey, siguro we should not lose hope, 'di ba? If sometimes we feel like progress is slow, o di kaya it's too challenging already, so you just have to be resilient. Kumbaga dapat magpatuloy ka no matter how the challenges or no matter how things are coming to you, kasi you will never know how brave or how strong you are if you will not be brave enough to face those challenges, 'di ba? And then syempre, second point din doon is success comes in different forms. 'Di ba? So view your success as a personal growth, emotional well-being, or any achievement that aligns with your values. Kasi ang success lang naman is not for business eh. It's not just for antag dito? It's for everything. For personal growth, for education, for career, as a parent, as a daughter or as a son,
as a husband or as a wife.
Oo, so as a friend.
As a friend.
So maraming aspect ang nasasakupan ng being successful. So you don't have to limit it to a certain thing. Kasi when you do that, nagiging limited yung mindset mo, nagiging, kumbaga, hindi ka nagiging open to other things, other opportunities and all. And then lastly, you have to find inspiration to focus on yourself.
Yeah.
So
yung sinasabi ko din kayo, once na makita mo sila nag-celebrate ng success, use it as an inspiration and as a motivation to go further.
Oo. Kasi each person's path is special. 'Di ba? And that they you, for example, you are worthy of celebrating your own achievements no matter how big or how small that achievement is.
Tama.
You have to, because sometimes we become so busy in life, sa pagiging asawa, pagiging anak, pagiging empleyado, pagiging a friend, ganon. Sometimes you forget yourself na, 'di ba? Kaya nga 'di ba, doon sa previous topics namin, we emphasize the importance of having self-care.
Me time.
Me time. Hindi self-care or me time is not selfish. Because sometimes when you give yourself a time to, recuperate, it give you a brand new perspective. Siguro yung mga taong yun nga nagko-compare nung sarili nila, kaya nila kino-compare yung sarili nila, it's because they cannot see anything na on themselves. Kasi parang they are too busy looking for others' fault siguro or other successes, to the point that they forgot that they can be successful too. 'Di ba? Like, masyado nating sinusundan yung mga iba na, ay, buti pa siya. He already bought his house, he has his car, he has these new things. So you keep on comparing your life to them.
Hinahanap mo para yung sarili mo sa kanila.
Which is
without knowing na iba yung journey nila sa iyo.
Yes, 'di ba? At saka, as we have mentioned the other days, to everything there's a season. Maybe yung taong tinitignan mo ngayon, tinitingala mo because they are successful, maybe it's their season to reap success.
Tama.
That is their time to become successful by by God's timing. So kumbaga tayo, we just have to be patiently wait, have the good attitude of waiting, because in His time, nakasulat na sa palad ni Lord kung kailan kanya pagyayamanin.
Amen.
You just have to be patient. Of course, you need to do action. You have to do your part, kasi katulad nga nung laging sinasabi, nasa Diyos ang awa, nasa tao ang gawa. You still have to do your part. Although andyan si Lord na ready niyang ibigay sa iyo kung ano yung hinihingi mong yung mga prayers niya sa iyo, but He wants to see you do some action, 'di ba? Kasi you cannot get naman something without
asking and doing, acting on how to have it. Ika nga.
So aside from the action, just be consistent. Show up every day on your business. Like for us, we're no matter how tired we are, no matter how life happens, like we still give time. Kasi kumbaga katulad nung na-mention din namin sa mga previous go lives, pag me time. Pag family time. Pag business time. So, we are doing this. We are giving time for our business. And we know also that in God's time, we will reap what we are sowing right now. We believe in God's timing. And I hope also that you will be able to, comment down below what are the things that you are actually doing to reach your goals in life, and how are you going to achieve them, diba?
Sige. Maya.
Masyado ng seryoso. Ayun lang, kaya nga, stop, kumbaga yan siya. Iwanan na lang namin kayo ng isang, kumbaga, motivational quote para to summarize what we have discussed from yesterday and today. So, be your own competition.
Tama.
Diba? Be your own competition. Kumbaga, compete with yourself. Not with other people. Kasi when you compete with yourself, like, mas namomotivate kang mag-work, mas namomotivate kang maging, mas mamomotivate kang i-achieve pa yung mga dreams and goals mo in life.
Sabi nga ni Father Dave, sa kanyang mga, misa and all, be a better person today than yesterday. Yun lang, wala na iba.
Oo. And then, katulad nga nung na-mention nga namin, di ba, kanina, yung about staying action, taking an action. Kasi, if you will not take an action, you will be on the same place as last year if you will not work on your goals in life. If you don't want to achieve those dreams you have in life. Diba? It's always the first step. It's action. So I think that's all for today. So if you are watching the replay, can you please drop a comment below where you are watching from, so we will know how global or how global our business is. And how far is this Go Live? Kung hanggang saan yung naaabot nitong Go Live na to. So, yun lang po. May you have a good night or good day for the rest of, sa mga nagsisimula pa. Ang araw nila. So, maraming salamat po ulit. And
may God bless us all.
And may God bless all your decisions in life. Good night.
Good night.